If you're like me and chopping onions just turns into one fat, big cry fest, well, I have the perfect kitchen gadget for you. It's the Pampered Chef food chopper. I've had this gadget for years and it's one of my favorites. It chops any vegetable, any nut, and garlic. It's simple, fast, and easy, and very little mess. Sometimes with kitchen gadgets, it's such a pain because they're bulky and they're hard to clean, but not with the Pampered Chef food chopper. It's 4 simple pieces. You have your top part that opens up really nicely and it has wings. No food gets caught into it and it could go into the dishwasher. Then the second piece is this plastic piece that has these 3 prongs sticking out. You just want to make sure you line them up. Easy, click. Then the plastic piece, it clicks right under here, and then you line it up and twist to lock it in place so it doesn't pull apart. And then finally is the base, which hooks right to the bottom. And you can see my Pampered Chef chopper has gotten a lot of use out of it. Now you can also take the base off and chop right on a cutting board. Thank you for tuning in to Teresa Von Regan's Kitchen. To check out more videos, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe. Bye for now.